In the world of commercial displays, innovation is key, and Fujifilm is leading the way with its latest release, the FP ZUH6000 projector. This game-changing model is the first in the Z series to support 4K resolution, offering an ultra-high-definition viewing experience for any commercial space. One of its standout features is the rotatable lens. With a two-axial folded rotatable lens design, it can tilt up to 90 degrees and rotate 360 degrees, enabling flexible, immersive projections from almost any angle. Fujifilm has pushed the boundaries of brightness too. The ZUH6000 delivers up to 6,000 lumens, ensuring vibrant images even in bright environments like galleries or museums, but that's not all. It boasts 1.5 times better color reproduction compared to its predecessor, ensuring every projection is rich and true to life. Compact and lightweight at just 17.5 kilograms, this powerful projector is designed for seamless installation in any professional setting. Whether you're showcasing art, delivering a presentation, or creating immersive experiences, the ZUH6000 offers unmatched flexibility and performance. Available in both black and white and perfect for any commercial space, this projector is set to revolutionize how we interact with visuals. The FP ZUH6000 will be unveiled at the Integrated Systems Europe event in Barcelona in February 2025, setting the stage for the future of commercial projections. Ready to step into the future? The ZUH6000 is the projector you've been waiting for.